What's good, fellow hustlers? My name is dillonpeffer and we are back with video number 3. Hopefully in today's video we won't be trading for so long. I've already set up a few trades. I haven't placed them. I just did a few analysis on the pairs that I wanted to trade, and yeah, let's get back into it. Today we'll be trading still our 4 pairs. Still busy deciding on actually what 4 pairs to go with, but I have an idea of which 4 to use. Of which 4, maybe 2. I've done analysis on a few. Yeah, I did analysis on the euro pound, and basically only, and the pound USD and the pound JPY. Okay, so that's 3. We did on 3, so we have 3 so far that we did analysis for. Not gonna lie to you, not really that sure about these trades just yet. He's playing out the way that I saw it was going to play out. Yeah. Okay. Also, trading platforms I'll be using is MetaTrader 5 and TradingView. Yeah, so the first pair I'll be looking at today is the euro pound. I'm looking to take it on a sell. As you can see, I did a few, not a lot, just a little bit of an analysis here on the chart. I'm looking at the 15-minute right now, as well as the 5 and the 1 minute. Yeah, I'm actually feeling like I should jump into this trade. So that will be our first trade. You know what? This will be our first trade. We're jumping into the sell, the euro pound. New order. Luckily, I have my stop losses and my take profits this time. I want to take it on the sell. Okay, so already we have our first trading, and I'm not gonna be now blitzing through it like I just did now. I'm still gonna be going through now a few more pairs, because I want to be sure of what I'm doing. And maybe should I wait till it jumps up to here? But what if it doesn't? What if it keeps coming down? Can I ride it till here? Can take the sell now, take it till there. But what's like 20 cents? 50 cents? Not really that hardcore. I'm not gonna take it to the full TP. Maybe till here. Down. Forex and pounds here, and then maybe fiddle around here a little bit, you know, come up to here, maybe play here around, and then we don't need to take the full victory. We just need to take a victory. Okay. Oh wow, it looks. Okay. If that is the case, That is the case. Oh, if this is your first time joining us and you don't know what's happening, I advise you please go watch the first video I released on my trading journey. Last week we took our first loss. Wasn't that bad though, and hopefully this week we just walk away with gains. Wow. Just about there. Okay, so we'll be making our second trade now. Let's go. Our second trade is on the pound Canadian. 2 trades down. We are down bad. Oh my, am I gonna get stopped out? I believe I should do that. Okay, so here we go again. Put some minor adjustments. Now I am using the 1 hour chart today, but I'm just using it for a quick in and out. I'm gonna jump into a buy in the Euro USD. Oh yeah, I am in 3 trades down, all in the red. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, and now I actually wasn't expecting to place 3 trades so quickly, but it's going good. It's going good. Oh, I've been looking at this as well. Oh my guys, should I wait my arm, which is the one that's doing very well right now? Euro USD. This one, really, it is doing very well right now. I'm going to take a second buy on this. That would have, I'm gonna take my second buy on the Euro USD. That will have our 4th trade. 630 Okay, well then, all 4 trades have been placed. We seem to be on the blue with 2 and in the red with 2. Also, we are coming to the end of our SMC series, so if you've been with us since the start of our journey, we will be ending that series in like 2 weeks, a week. When this video drop, will be 1 more video that needs to come out, 2 more video that needs to come out. I ask that you support us and keep supporting us if you are. I thank you for supporting us if you are. And yeah, also we will be adding a 3rd man to the roster very soon, so keep an eye out for that as well. Yo guys, if you're wondering why am I in a different outfit, our trades played out a little longer than it was supposed to. And we lost. Yes, we lost all 4 of our trades. We are down a whole $21.94. 4 trades, 4 losses for this video. If you want to see, actually, let me give you. Here's the 1 trade, the pound Canadian. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this bullshit. And I 100% bet you it's gonna go now there. It's gonna aim here now. Life of a trader, eh? And then our other one was the Euro. Look at this. Look at this. I'm not gonna lie to you, the instinct told me for this one I should take a buy. But I don't know, I think I just kept second guessing myself. That's another thing, you know? And I know they say don't trade with emotions, but I'm feeling this one because it's 4 losses for this video. Yeah, but you know what, we win some, we lose some. Yeah, just 4 trade loss. Let's just make the outro, you know. I'll see you guys in video number 4. Hopefully it will be far better than this video was. And I was so sure about like at least 3 of these trades, you know. I'm not gonna lie, this one I had a gut feeling, I just didn't go with it, damn it. But the pound Canadian, this one threw me for a loop, I'm not gonna lie. I expected it to bounce off this order block here and then poof, back up, but instead hopefully you guys have found this insightful. I found this dreadful. Yeah, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Oh, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. Would be highly appreciative, especially after today's video. Damn. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, night, evening, whatever it is. Stay safe, my fellow hustlers. Peace.